Hi, this is Stephen on behalf of Fastcall. I'm going to show you how to make an outbound call with Fastcall using two different calling devices to demonstrate the difference between the soft phone and any other calling device. I'm assuming you've done the getting ready to make your first call setup, where we cover how to set the calling device and the caller ID. If you haven't, please do that first. Okay, once you're set up, placing an outbound call is as simple as clicking on the phone number in Salesforce. Once you do that, Fastcall will start a connection to your calling device, and once that's connected, it'll start the connection to the phone that you're calling. In this case, I'm going to use my soft phone as the calling device, so it's going to call the target phone instantly. So, I'm going to call my mobile phone. You'll hear the mobile phone ring in the background, and I'm also recording the audio that is coming over my headset. I'm not going to pick this up, so I'm ending the call. And now I'm going to close the task and record the call result. And that's how you make a call with the soft phone as the calling device. Now I'll take you through how to make an outbound call with another calling device. In this case, we'll use my mobile, which I've already set up. I'm going to make the change using the Fastcall widget. There's more detail on this in the other help material. Now that I'm using my phone, we're going to need a different lead to call. And as before, we simply click on the phone number to start the call. When I do this, Fastcall will start a connection to my calling device, which is my mobile phone. You'll hear that ring in the background. Once I answer that, it will start the connection to the target phone. If I don't answer my calling device, it won't ever ring the target phone. So now I've answered my calling device, and it started the call to the target phone. And I can see the target phone is ringing on my desk. However, I'm not going to answer that, so I'm going to end the call, close the task, and record the called results. And that's how you make outbound calls with Fastcall, using both a soft phone and any other calling device.